Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive. All right. It is pretty easy to use. All right. As you can see here, I'm logged in. Now, if you don't know how to go to your Google Drive, just go ahead and open up a browser. Now type in Google Drive. All right. Once done, just hit on enter and click on the first link right here. Click on it. Now, as you can see here, as easy as that, I was directly redirected to this page. Now, if you're not logged in or if you don't have a Google Drive account, just go ahead and log in right here at the top right. All right. And if you want to switch account, as you can see here, I have my secondary account. Just go ahead and click on add another account and you can just easily swap accounts from here. Now, as you might notice here, I have a tab here that says computers. This one, I'm going to double click on it. And I have here for G Drive folder that's coming from here. All right. I have created this one. So basically, if you wanted to have this particular drive, as you can see, we have this particular icon as well. Now, for example, I'm going to move this dummy file to that folder. All right. And when I check it out right here, as you can see here, the upload is queued. So let's just go ahead and wait for it. As you can see here, the syncing is running and it now has this check mark. When we check it out right here and refresh the particular folder, as you can see, we have the dummy file right here. So how do we do that? Just go ahead and install the Google Drive on your computer. Just type in Google Drive download right here. Now enter. All right, just click on the first link from Google Help itself. Just click on it and scroll down and click on download for Windows or download for Mac. Now, once you have the installer, just go ahead and install it. That's pretty easy to do. All right, follow the simple prompts and you're good to go. Now, going back to the topic, as you can see here, I have multiple folders. Now, if you don't know how to create a folder, just go ahead and click on new right here at the top left. Click on it and click on new folder. All right, you can rename it whatever you want. For example, for my boss right here, hit on create. Now you have a new folder. Now, if you wanted to move some files in there, it could be photos, videos, PDF, or whatever it is. I'm just going to show you like here. I'm going to right click on it. All right, organize, then click on move. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and select the particular folder. All right. We have the suggested folders right here. If you can't see your folder, just go ahead and click on all locations, my drive. And as you can see here for my boss, I'm just going to click on move. And when I open this folder, we should have one file in here. All right. If you want to move multiple files, it could be any file type. Just hit on Control key on your keyboard, click on one. Now click on Control key on your keyboard. If you're using Mac OS, click and hold the CMD key. All right. Click and hold. And again, this one, as you can see, I am selecting files. All right. Again, to move it, right click and hit on organize, move right here and wait for this one to load. Now go ahead and locate the particular folder and hit on move. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, we now have these random file types right here. Now, for example, I wanted to share this particular folder to my boss. Now, how do we do that? We can't just easily share the link. All right. We can't just easily share the link and send it to whoever. They can't just open it up. You will have to manage the permissions. All right. Now, to do that, again, right click on it and hit on share. Hit on share once more and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, if you want everyone with the link to open it up or have access, go ahead and click on restricted and select anyone with the link. Okay. Now from here, click the permissions once more. And as you can see here, those people that have the link can only view, comment, or edit. If you want to give all the permissions, just select editor. All right. Now, what if you wanted to just share this one to a specific person? As you can see here, we have this search box. Just click on it. And from here, you should be able to type down the email of the specific person. For example, my secondary email right here, this one. All right, I'm going to hit on send. Now the person, this email will receive a notification. And when he or she opens it up, you can just easily access this folder as well. All right. Now, if you do want to see more Google Drive tutorials, we have separate videos on the channel that teaches you how to use Google Drive. All right. Say, for example, you wanted to edit a PDF on Google Drive. We have that video. Just check it out on the channel. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.